Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 2.5-inch lift kit on it, some 20x10 wheels with a 0mm offset and 1.5-inch wheel spacers, and then some 35 1250 R20 mud terrain tires. The answer is yes, it will clear no problem. The only thing that we would suggest is getting rid of your front bottom valence or splash guard. That's that piece of plastic that's underneath the front bumper. Just go ahead and take it off. Or you can trim it and you can cut it and make it work that way. I would personally just recommend take it off and call it good. And you'll have no problem fitting this setup on your vehicle. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy this Jeep, if you are in the market for a Jeep or a truck or a 4Runner, go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and scroll through all of the vehicles that are currently for sale that have already been lifted, already built, and ready to go to your driveway. Also, if you want any of these parts, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get them shipped out to you. Whether they're tires, wheels, lift, bumpers, lights, hoods, grills, fenders, running boards. Go to our website, let us get them shipped out to you today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.